Joey?
That's so funny. Yes, God, she wrote a lot. I can't believe that. I feel like my life story was a little abbreviated compared to hers.